Hi Lisa, how are you? So you got little colour stripes here.
Yeah.
What's all that about?
People always asking me.
Green's my favourite colour.
Ah, okay.
I am here to
Yeah.
upgrade my wheel set.
Ah.
So I'm looking for something that's fast and light.
Okay.
My arms floated to the ceiling.
Ah,
Definitely 50% faster. I've heard tubeless is quite good.
tubeless is why you're here. Time to get you set up for tubeless. Kate, ready and waiting.
We're the professionals. Yes.
Alright, that's right.
Okay.
You're the cameraman.
I'm the cameraman.
But here's what I do.
We should get a beer. Free beer with every wheel set. What do we need? We need wheels.
Wheels.
Where are the wheels? Ah, there they are. G4Ts.
Oh,
Ah.
this is beautiful. I haven't seen this before.
So we just need to put the tyre on, add sealant, add air.
Yep.
We've our Schwalbe Pro One, 28.
Tubeless easy. It's called tubeless easy on this one. Now, I don't mean to sound weird, but have you smelt the rubber? It's really, I don't know.
Like a cheap shoe store.
Oh, it brings me back to my school days.
The tread is like an arrow. So normally the tread is like an arrow shape and you have it like facing forward.
Arrow goes forward.
So we'll find the direction and then we'll figure out which side of the wheel is drive side and which side is non-drive side, and then we'll hopefully put it on the right way.
I'll edit that out if you're wrong.
I'm a bit old school, and we always used to put the logo on top of the valve.
We do logo up top here. Valve down.
opposite.
Timer is go.
What did we say? 20 minutes? Okay.
We haven't practiced this either with these toes.
Got one side on.
Let's see how easy these ones go on. Any levers needed?
Side.
There we go. Oh, it's going to do it by hand. We can edit out all the rest of it.
Oh,
Hey! Ah, look. So what was the trick there?
If you put the edge of the tyre into the deepest part of the channel in the rim, then the whole tyre circumference will be smaller and you won't be trying to stretch it out into a wider shape.
You got it by hand. No tie levers.
sweet.
All right, half the job's done now. You've got this pump action chamber thing.
It's called a flash charger.
Oh, I didn't know what they were called.
TLR for short.
Oh, cool.
Tubeless-ready. And the idea is that you can feed your own tubeless tyres at home. So you pump it up, it stores a charge in the chamber, it'll tell you what PSI you've got, and then once I flick this bad boy, it will release.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
What's it? What? Are we all set? Did it go through? I think it looks like it went.
Adam wants to make it go bang.
Yeah, I want it bang. Well, it needs to go
Oh,
bang.
it's not- How do you tell?
There it is. Yeah, the bang. Done.
Bam, she did it!
If we're going to do it valve pull way,
Yeah.
we need to remove the valve ball.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
Valve core out.
And the little
So how much sealant you're putting in?
It depends how much I spill on the bench.
It's quite educational.
I didn't even look at how much we had to start with.
That's all right. I think you've,
It's about
yeah,
a quarter emptied.
that's about 30 mils, right? 30 to 60, 50 mils, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, that would be about right.
On my commuter bike I run 28, so I run probably about 90, 85.
How are we going? That was easy. Tubeless easy. It's called tubeless easy on this one. Lisa, do you need to inspect this for approval? Moving the sealant around, very smart. Happy days. All right, rotors are on. Geez, they're almost ready. That's it. Give Lisa the harder one, the harder end. All right. Wow, that's cool.
Man, how nice is that look?
Steve, you happy with the job?
Handsome Steve says,
Label orientation. Rush it.
Oh, Steve.
5 out of 10.
oh.
All right, time for a test ride.
Right.
Now,
Definitely 50% faster.
I actually like that Tamil. It's quite nice.
Man, how do you make
Play
it
some
right?
G4Ts. Well, go
But
enjoy
here's
them.
what I do.
Thanks, Lisa.
Thanks, guys. You're right.